for link protection. And our link isolation and also deep link analysis process is going to allow us to make sure people are kept safe against something that's just obnoxiously easy for the bad guys to do. And I can't believe we don't have a term for this in the industry we're in, but the idea of post-receipt weaponization of a link. What they'll do is they'll send you an email, and instead of a file, right now we're just talking about a link inside that message. And it's just a redirector the bad guy controls. So just a link that when you go there, it goes somewhere else. They just happen to control where that somewhere else is. Right now, initially, they make it Google, and then they send it to everyone. They let all the mail servers scan it. They do, and they say, oh, hey, that link goes to Google. That's fine. So they deliver it. Then the bad guys wait 5 minutes. And then with copy and paste, they can change where that link goes. Now it goes to malware.bad. It originally went to Google, so the mail server thought it was fine, delivered it. The person clicks it, boom, they're encrypted, horrible stuff happens. However, the way link isolation works is when something's received, even if it initially looks good and it looks like google.com, we're going to redirect all of them for a rescan on click. So the person receives a message, they click the link, and we're going to scan it right now to see, oh, it goes to malware.bad. That's bad, and we're going to block it. The deep link side is all sorts of cool advanced stuff we do, because it's not just, hey, a blacklist check to see if it's known to be bad. However, we're going to be able to do like, is there any malicious files hosted with it, malicious scripting that runs when you land, things like Gmail instead of Gmail, the whole idea of domain copycatting and so forth. But the whole idea is none of this really needs to be difficult to set up. And that's one of the things a lot of groups fall short with, because this is a concept that's very, very important, just like the sandboxing.